can't cook. Today I'm gonna trade my DIY fidget Among Us squishy that's running. Trading this Among Us, going once, going twice, going 3 times. Anyone? No one. One last time. Going once, going twice. Me. What will you offer for this? What will you offer? Is it good if I trade you a puppet? What kind of puppet? It depends. This clear puppet. Doesn't pop that much. Loud side. Yeah. Look. Loud side. Quiet side. Okay, anyways, they're getting distracted. Oh, yeah, right, okay. Do you accept? Duh, here you go. It's mine now. Time to trade. I'm going to trade this person, this Among Us. I'm going to trade them this Slinky. And now I'm going to give this person a squishy and this spiky ball. Oh, the person is going to trade me a squishy Among Us, a stress ball, a spiky ball, and a slingy. I'm going to trade her this puppet, which has a quiet side and a loud side. I'm going to give her this tangle, this fidget spinner, and this DIY little puppet. And by the way, this actually spins. Okay, I'm gonna accept. Oh, the other person accepted. I'm going to accept. Okay, that was a definitely total good trade. My new little puppet. Time to put this in my little bucket. Oh, this puppet she popped. I fell in love once she popped it. It's easy to pop. Oh, this tangle is really flexible. Whoa. This fidget spinner actually spins, so it's not those fake ones. That was a useful trade. Ooh, she accepted, and I got this really swingy, winky, slingy. Ooh, this squishy. Run. Ooh, this little stress. And this ball. Nice and cute. Today I'm going to scam someone. Let's see. I made a trade with someone, and right now I'm going to trade. I'm going to trade something more obvious so they trust me. This puppet, which has a quiet side, a loud side, and a quiet side, just like a real one. DIY tangle with extra little rolly balls. This spiky ball. And I guess I'll try this cool little thing. Anyways, it is cool. For sure we're gonna want to trade and accept. Ooh, they gave me this. I'm just gonna give them this squishy ball. This DIY simple, dimple, a tangle, and a squishy. Oh, your voice is weird, but add. I don't care if there's no more squares. Add a roll, a fidget spinner, a puppet, and a slinky. Accept. Ooh, should I decline? Decline. Time to put it away.
La reproducción de canciones en especial.
Time to just put these away. She's scammer. Today I'm gonna try. I'm only thinking of puppets, DIY bicycle chains, and squishies. So, like I said, puppet. I'm always getting distracted. Little DIY bicycle chain with little balls. This isn't tape, it's sticky. Not tape, double-sided tape. This squishy. Now, one last thing. And fidget spinner. Spinny. Oh, looks like she wants to give me all that. Today I'm thinking of tangles. I'm thinking of a slinky, a squishy toy. Oh, I'll pull that for a little. And the spiky ball. Accept. Yeah, she accepted. I want to accept. Successful trade. Here you go, little loser. No thing-looking brat. No successful trade. I'm just gonna test out my new puppet and stuff. That's good. Total noob. Squishy. Yeah, that's squishy. Tangle. Satisfying. Ooh, fidget spinner. Today I'm gonna trade some stuff. I'll give this and this squishy. Ooh, I traded that. I'm going to give spiky ball, this tangle, and a fidget spinner. Accept. accepted. I'm gonna accept. Successful trade. A little specky ball, fidget spinner, and a tangle. Ooh, that was a good trade. I like when she popped it. And this so squishy. Nice and flexible. Squishy. Run. Today I'm thinking of trading. This. They're turning me out. Whatever. Oh my gosh. Squishy. What about this puppet? Every day, everyone trades this puppet. Accept. I'll accept, I guess. Successful trade. That was a good trade, actually. That was good. A nice trade and a nice template.